Hello, my name's Natalie. I'm one of the employability advisors here at Sheffield Hallam, and today I'm going to talk to you about our careers and employability offer. So our offer to students includes employability advice, supporting you to work for yourself, supporting you getting work experience, finding work opportunities, and we also offer ongoing support for graduates after you completed your final year with us here at SHU. So first of all, where can you find us? So we've got a brand new careers and employability hub, which is based at City Campus in the Owen building on level 2, which is the bottom floor of the atrium. So follow the signage and come and pop in and see us. This is our City Campus base for offering appointments, drop-in sessions and workshops. And we also offer appointments and drop-in sessions at Collegiate Campus too. So do come and see us at whichever campus suits you best. You don't have to kind of just align yourself to one. Whatever suits you, we look forward to kind of meeting you and supporting you. We have 3 dedicated advisors for you here at Sheffield Hallam, and we are just one of them. So our support is made up of an academic advisor, a student support advisor, and your employability advisor. So we as employability advisors can help you with applications, interviews, career planning, and decision making around employability. Now, you may need to seek support via Hallam Help for other types of inquiries. So, for example, if you are thinking of ever leaving your course, resits, or repeating the year, this is your named student support advisor. If you are an international student with questions around visa, employment sponsorship, or working at particular times of the year, that's an international student advisor, again, through Hallam Help. In terms of the appointments we offer, these are face-to-face, online, or over the phone, whatever suits you best. And the advice appointments are the things that you can book online yourself. They are 30 minutes, and that's to support you with CVs, applications, interview preparation, where to look for jobs, or discussing next steps. So you can book these at a website, which I'll show you shortly. Guidance appointments are a bit longer, 40 minutes. These are for students struggling with a decision, course change, career options. You need to contact us to book that one directly. And interviews, we also offer 45-minute practice interviews, which will help prepare you for kind of a real-world interview that you've been invited for. Again, to book that one, you do need to come and speak to us or give us a call, and then we can get that booked in for you once we confirm the real-world interview that you've been invited to. We've got lots of resources at your fingertips, and we encourage you to look at these before coming to see us. So the pictures on the right kind of show you a screenshot of our website. So if you want information about finding jobs, click on the jobs button. Application tips is a really great place to start if you need advice about how to put together a CV, how to prepare for interviews, etc. Towards the bottom of the screen on the right, you'll see the See an Advisor button. That's how you book to see us as well. But again, kind of self look through some of these resources and see what you can find that suits your needs. Towards the left of your screen, you'll see 3 boxes advertising Handshake. That is where you kind of search and apply for jobs. That's where all of our campus jobs are advertised. Career Centre 360 is another separate kind of online resource that you can access as and when you see fit, and it also has a interview simulator on there. And Graduates First is something that you might want to access when you're applying for placements or graduate roles and you need to do psychometric testing. So loads of different resources right at your fingertips via our website. If you are thinking of ever working for yourself, we offer a great support system to help you develop enterprise skills. So we offer startup support for small businesses. We have a co-working space with other entrepreneurs in the Hallam iLab, which is on Aspect Court, floor 6. We have a great sandwich year offer. So if you want to do a placement year and you want to try working out for yourself, you can test out your idea within a supported program. We also offer opportunities for Hallam freelancers, and we do lots of workshops and events throughout the year too. Work experience is something really important to get while you're here at SHU, so you can do this through loads of different ways: volunteering, placements, internships, part-time jobs, campus jobs. These are just some ideas here. The Hallam Award mentioned at the top is a reflective award that you work towards at 3 different levels, so bronze, silver, gold, and it rewards you for kind of all the stuff that you do outside of the curriculum, all the extra stuff. We also have a career mentoring scheme, which is where you kind of get paired with an industry expert to find out more about their job. And we also suggest you take a look at the Forage for virtual job simulations and LinkedIn Learning, which you can access by being a SHU student and do lots of online courses there too. To help you find work opportunity, we have a great careers fair every autumn and spring. This is on campus and over 100 employers attend. They offer a mix of part-time jobs, internships, graduate roles, and this year our autumn fair is on October the 24th. So please do come along, have a look. There'll be lots of employability advisors there too, kind of giving you a bit of support, but there will be pop-up stands with employers on campus, and there's also workshops where you can book sessions with employers to kind of say hello and find out more about their offer. In terms of first year students, the thing that we strongly recommend you do is explore all the opportunities that are available to you. So university is something that's brand new, but it gives you opportunities to get involved in something new. And it's really important to leave university with more than just your degree. There'll be thousands of students graduating at the same time as you. So how do you make yourself stand out? What are you going to do that's different? So consider joining an academic society that's linked to your course. Get you to meet some new people on your course, which will be really great. There's loads of social societies and sports clubs to choose from. You can even consider setting up your own if one doesn't exist within your kind of area of passions and interests. You could do some volunteering through the Students' Union. There's lots of kind of one-day, half-day opportunities along with regular commitments, part-time work as well. So it's really good for helping you make new friends, loads of social health and well-being benefits, but ultimately any experience you get will develop your skills and will develop your employability. Here are just again this kind of suggested different ideas of things you can do in your first, second, and third year and a placement year if you do them. So it's not too late to start, but obviously you're here in your first year, so do make the most of your time and kind of think about what you might want to set yourself a target to do in your first year, even if it's kind of join a society, maybe look at the Hallam Award the next year, etc. But do definitely make the most of your time to develop your employability. And that's it from me. So thank you very much for listening. Please scan the QR code to take you to our careers website. You can find out more about our offer there. You've got our phone number, email address, and Instagram page there too. And we look forward to meeting you and working with you soon. Goodbye.